All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, where we are proud to present this beautiful 2018 Cadillac XT5 all-wheel drive model. I think it's called the Platinum Series. Black with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering control, a panoramic sunroof, alloy wheels, 11,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, super freaking nice. Drove this car around this weekend. It's a phenomenal vehicle. Drives good. Hood and bumper and fender look good. Here's your front your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Tire tread is over 7/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. This quarter looks pretty good. I have a little dent here, some paint off, less than an inch. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. Has some curbing there, about a little bit less than an inch, but it is there. Tire tread over 7/32. Nice shot of your roof. There's your panoramic sunroof. Very nice. Power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. It's got memory seating. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks phenomenal. Power seat as well. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Does come with the one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. This still has from the original car. Very nice. All right, it's got like a semi-touch. Like this is like just like some real light buttons to touch. It's not really a button per se. All right, you got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. There we go. The camera just turned on. Got your navigation system right here, as you can see. Got your AC controls right down below. You got your heated and vented seats as well. Let's see what we got here. You got your radio. Little home button here. Got your radio, your climate controls, all this good stuff here. All right. This is, of course, your instrument cluster. Looks like you see no lights on except for airbag light on. And your mileage of 11,467. It looks good. Looks good. Turn on the lights. All right. There we go. Lights on. Lights on. And there you go. Fog lights are on. It's got a Bose sound system, which is pretty dope. It's got your little button here that opens up all the way in the back. Rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Let's have it armrested cup holders. Got rear AC controls. And rear heated seats as well, and vents. This is what your sunroof looks like from this side. Booyah. Rear bumper looks good. This is what your rear deck looks like, or trunk space looks like. Pretty big and spacious. Check out the pictures. There is a spare tire here with some tools and owner's manuals. I believe I tucked them away back here. If not, they're in the glove box. It's a little privacy curtain. Boom. It's even got this little thing, which is pretty cool. You put your groceries there. It won't be sliding around. I think that's it's an awesome thing right there. All right. So you even got your cargo netting, a little button here. Closes the deck lid, which let's take a look at it. Looks pretty fresh. Your quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing here, about 2 inches. All right. The rest of it looks good. Tire tread is over 7/32. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks beautiful. Front door here looks very nice. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat as well. Very nice. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks pretty nice. I don't see any curbing on this one. And your tire tread. Oof. Tire tread is just at the line of 7/32. Actually a little bit above 7/32, just a hair. Fog lights, headlights, car is running. Things are beautiful, folks. Once again, this is a 2018 Cadillac XT5 all-wheel drive platinum model with 11,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.